Once the seeds are produced, part of the flower goes through a dramatic transformation and becomes the fruit, which encases the seeds during this next stage in the life cycle. Many fruits, like this zucchini, are a valuable source of nutrition for humans and animals. But the true purpose of fruit is to protect and distribute the plant's seeds. So as the life cycle for one plant nears its end, the fruit will disperse the seeds, triggering the beginning of the cycle for the next generation. Every plant disperses its seeds in its own unique way. Energy-packed methods of dispersal can be quite effective. For example, the seed cases of oxalis explode to scatter their seeds away from the parent plant. Ideally, plants disperse their seeds to places where they can grow with minimal interference. There is also a more time-consuming approach. That's when the fruit rots and leaves the seeds in its place. Some plants rely on wind to help them spread their seeds. Dandelions depend on wind to distribute a fruit and its seed to distances of up to several miles. Dandelion fruits can travel this far because they're shaped like miniature parachutes with thin walls that house a single seed. A coconut is the fruit of the coconut tree. But a coconut is mostly a large seed. The hard outer shell of the seed is the perfect vehicle, capable of traveling thousands of miles, down rivers and across oceans, perhaps even to another continent, to find fertile ground in which to germinate. Some count on wind, some on water, but perhaps the most unlikely assistant in the process of seed distribution is fire. Most protea plants rely on seasonal wildfires to burn their seed heads and enable them to release seeds into the charred, nutrient-rich soil. Some animals, like squirrels, act as agents for dispersing seeds. These acorn-hungry creatures like to gather bundles of oak tree fruits and stow them away for consumption at a later time. If some acorns get left behind or lost along the way, the seed inside may have a chance to germinate in its new location. Protecting and dispersing seeds is the sole purpose of fruit. If seeds did not have fruit, they would lose an important ally in the pursuit of germination.